How to not be an idiot when selling your property. About Brittany. Okay, this portion is written in third person, but I cannot read it that way. I'm a realtor who believes selling a home should involve more strategy than luck, and definitely more planning than putting the laundry room before the ocean view. I help homeowners navigate one of the biggest financial decisions of their lives with honest advice, thoughtful marketing, and clear communication. Whether I'm pricing a home, negotiating an offer, or developing a marketing strategy, I believe every decision should have a purpose. Over the years, I've seen just about everything the real estate industry has to offer. Great marketing, questionable marketing, overpriced homes, underpriced homes, and more than a few listings that made me wonder, what were they thinking? Those experiences inspired this book. When I am not helping clients buy and sell homes, I am usually happiest near the water. I also sell yachts, love boating, fishing, and coastal adventures, and consider myself a pirate wannabe. Although my version of piracy involves considerably more paperwork, fewer sword fights, and much better marketing. I'm also happiest with live music somewhere nearby. Whether I'm at a concert, planning the next one, or turning the volume up on a blues, rock, or reggae favorite, music is rarely far from the background of my life. How to Not Be an Idiot When Selling Your Property is technically my second book. My first, Storm and Stillness for the Fierce and Free, is a collection of pirate tales loosely inspired by my own adventures. One day, I may even get around to publishing it. Until then, I'm helping homeowners avoid expensive mistakes, ask better questions, and choose the right realtor for one of the biggest decisions of their lives. I believe every home has a story worth telling, and that story probably should not begin with the utility sink. So, why this book exists? I never planned to write a book called How to Be an Idiot. Honestly, it started with a real estate listing. I was scrolling through the photos of a multimillion-dollar oceanfront home online. You know the kind that should make you stop scrolling, call your spouse, and start wondering whether you could survive on ramen noodles for the next 30 years. The first photo showed the front of the house. Fair enough. The MLS requires the primary photo to show the exterior of the property. Although a different angle might have revealed the ocean behind it, I was willing to let that one go. Then I clicked the second photo. Bedroom number 3. Not the breathtaking ocean view, not the gorgeous living room, the chef's kitchen, the pool, or any of the other features that might explain why someone would want to spend millions of dollars on this particular house. Just a bedroom. More specifically, it was a bad photo of a bedroom that mostly showed the comforter, although it was a great one that a past client turned friend also has, so naturally I had to send it to her. It could have been a bedroom in almost any house in America. I don't remember what the third picture showed, but the fourth was the laundry room. The laundry room. Meanwhile, the reason someone would spend millions of dollars on this home, the ocean, was buried somewhere deeper in the photo gallery like it was an afterthought. I turned to another realtor in my office and said, "That listing agent is an idiot." Then I laughed and added, "And the seller is an idiot for hiring the idiot agent." Obviously, I was joking. Mostly. Because here's the thing, the seller probably wasn't an idiot at all. They were probably a perfectly smart person who trusted someone they believed knew what they were doing. And that's what made me stop laughing. Buying or selling a home is one of the biggest financial decisions most people will ever make. Yet many homeowners choose a realtor the same way they choose a restaurant while they're on vacation, based on a recommendation from a friend, the first name they recognize, or someone who seemed nice during a brief conversation. Nice is great. Experience is better. A thoughtful strategy, strong communication, and effective marketing are even better. The truth is, you don't have to be an idiot to make an expensive real estate mistake. You just have to know what questions to ask or what your agent should be doing on your behalf. That's why I wrote this little book. Inside, you'll learn what separates an average agent from an exceptional one, what actually helps homes sell, and how to avoid mistakes that can cost you time, money, and unnecessary stress. We'll laugh a little and probably poke fun at a few questionable industry habits along the way. You may even catch yourself saying, "I never thought about that." Good. That's the point. This book isn't about making fun of homeowners. It's about helping them recognize preventable mistakes before those mistakes become expensive ones. Whether you're planning to sell next month, next year, or you're simply curious about what goes on behind the scenes, I hope this book leaves you a little smarter, a little more confident, and maybe even a little entertained. Now, let's talk about that laundry